Hello guys, my name is Mohammad Ehsani. I'm from Iran and I wanna teach you WordPress so step by step, and you can see my result 40k clicks per 28 days and a lot of work that I'm top 5. There are a lot of work. You can see my website is top 5. Top 5. Okay. First of all, I want to notice again that you should love each of every visitor of your website. Don't waste their time. If you have good content to offer, design a website for it. I heard that people in India value respect a lot of value for cows because they help in argue culture and provide milk. That's why they love them. Similarly, there was a winemaker in France who made excellent wine. When asked, he said he talks to his grapes because he loves them, and you must understand it. You must love Google and love each of click in your website. Don't waste their time and respect them and create good content. Don't copy the content from another website. Be yourself and don't afraid. If you want to have a good website, you need to deeply understand two things: love each and every visitor of your website, and respect Google and its rules. Use original themes or free themes. In previous section, okay. In previous section, we activate HTTPS. Then we create contact us and about us page. This is HTTPS, and we create contact us and about us page. In contact us, we added our social media profile. You must let Google know about you. Okay, let your address, zip code, and contact number, and everything that Google needs to know you. Now we have two tasks to do. We need to place link based on the article titles so that Google's algorithm can understand what our content is about. You must go to WP admin, WordPress admin, and in the settings section, okay, in this section, permalinks, and you select this bottom post name and your link, you can see that you can see my title in my link. So WordPress full content local, so WordPress full course local, so okay. And another thing that is very important is everyone access websites through their mobile phone, and so our website needs to be mobile friendly. We need to activate AMP for our site. Okay. Okay. In plugin section, add new plugin and search for AMP. I activated before. This is there are a lot of AMP plugin. You can see that each of them is good, but I work with this plugin, and this plugin is free and you can buy it, and but if you don't have enough money, you can use it for free. Okay. Okay, so isn't hard work. The harder work is providing valuable content. You must okay, valuable content, and stay with me. I want to teach you WordPress, so step by step. Take care of yourself. Thank you so. This is my laugh. Naruto Uzumaki. Thank you so much. Goodbye, everyone.